This is just gonna be a quick one. This is broke. This little fitting up there. Probably could take that out and replace it. But right there, there's supposed to be like a needle. That's the best way I can describe it. Alright. So now all you gotta do is just come down here to where these lines are hooked up at. And you're gonna unscrew them. Just move that seat belt out of the way. Just move that seat belt out of the way. So what I'm going to do, since this isn't leaking, I think I'm nailing that pretty good, so you're going to have to pull them just a little bit. Then you're going to start by taking these ends off. Well, changing that, because I'm not cutting these right now. Take that in. Then insert that in. And then tighten this up. Tighten this. And that should be it.